In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Keeper security passwords into Bitwarden. If you're moving from Keeper to Bitwarden, this walkthrough will guide you end to end. You'll need access to your Keeper account to export your data and a Bitwarden account to import it. We'll use a standard CSV file, and I'll point out a few practical tips to keep your information safe along the way. First, export your passwords from Keeper. Sign into Keeper via the Web Vault or desktop app. Then look for the export option in Settings or the account menu. Choose the CSV export for your Vault items. You may be asked to confirm with your master password. When prompted, save the file somewhere secure on your computer where you can easily find it for the next step. Remember, this CSV is unencrypted while it's on your disk, so treat it like a set of keys. Don't send it by email or store it in cloud folders unless you've secured it. Next, open the Bitwarden Web Vault by visiting the official site and signing in. If you use a self-hosted Bitwarden server, sign in there instead. Once you're in, you'll see your personal vault. We'll do the import here so all your entries land in the right place. Go to the Import tool. In the Web Vault, open the Tools section and select Import Data. This is where Bitwarden reads your CSV and maps fields like URL, username, password, and notes into your vault. Choose the Keeper format from the dropdown. Bitwarden supports many password managers, so pick the option labeled Keeper or Keeper CSV. Selecting the correct format ensures the columns in your file line up properly during the import and reduces the chance of errors or missing fields. Now import your passwords. Click to choose the file, select the CSV you exported from Keeper, and start the import. Depending on the size of your vault, this may take a moment. If you've organized items into folders in Keeper, Bitwarden will import those when possible, but keep in mind that attachments and some advanced item types might not transfer via CSV. Finally, verify and delete the CSV. Go back to your vault and spot check a handful of logins to make sure URLs, usernames, and passwords look right. If you see duplicates, you can clean them up in Bitwarden after import. Once you're satisfied, securely delete the CSV from your computer and empty your trash or recycle bin. Keeping that file around is a security risk, so it's best to remove it immediately. That's it. You've successfully moved your passwords from Keeper into Bitwarden with a safe, clean import.